In this video, you'll learn how to log into your Bluehost cPanel and access your webmail account. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear, so by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what each area is used for. First, let's start with logging into your Bluehost cPanel, since that's where you manage most of your hosting settings. Open your web browser and go to my.bluehost.com. This is the main login page for your Bluehost account. On this page, enter your Bluehost login details, then click the button to sign in. Make sure you're using the correct username and password associated with your hosting account, and if you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your login information for security reasons. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Bluehost portal. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. From this menu, click on Hosting. This section is where you'll find all the tools and settings related to your websites and hosting environment. After you select Hosting, look for the option labeled cPanel. It may appear as a button or a tab within your hosting dashboard. Go ahead and click the cPanel button. This will open your cPanel control panel, which is the central place for managing your website files, databases, domains, email accounts, and more. If this is your first time in cPanel, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, but be careful not to change any settings you don't fully understand, as they can affect how your website works. Now let's move on to logging into your webmail. Webmail is used only for checking and sending email from your hosting email accounts. It does not give you access to your website files or other hosting tools, so think of it as your online mailbox, separate from your main hosting controls. To access webmail through the Bluehost portal, start again by going to mybluehost.com and logging into your account just like you did before. Once you're inside the portal, look at the navigation options and click on Hosting. From there, find and select Email. This email section is where you manage your email accounts hosted on Bluehost, and it also provides access to webmail. Within the email area, you'll see a list of email addresses that you've created under your hosting plan. Next to each email address, there will typically be an option to access webmail. Click the webmail option for the account you want to check. This will open the webmail interface for that specific email address, where you can read new messages, compose and send emails, organize folders, and manage your mailbox. Remember, anything you do in webmail affects that particular email account only, not your entire hosting setup. If you need to adjust things like storage limits, create new email accounts, or change passwords, you'll do that from the email management section in the Bluehost portal or within cPanel, not directly in webmail. And that's it. You've learned how to log in to your Bluehost cPanel through the main portal and how to access your webmail account to manage your email. Follow these steps whenever you need to update your hosting settings or check your email online.